3, 2, 1, let's demo! Boom! And number 20. Get that front left tire. And our number 488. Get fired up. I saw them moving on those a little forward. Number 69, James. Full force pedal to the metal. I've heard that Dodge Ram red line one too many times in the wintertime. But boy, howdy, can it last. Number 50, going from half to three-quarter track. Taking out a piece of that number 20 side, 69J. Compacting that 50 into that corner, number 488. Near the end of that countdown timer, I think that's going to be just about it. Number. Sounds like that's 69J. That's where that popping's coming from in the engine. And a narrow miss on the number 50. Number 488 pulls their stick down to the final three. And 50 going all the way around the track. More that shot with the number 20. 69J trying to line up their shot. And going to compact that 50 into the corner. Number 20 gets it fired up. Tears across the track. And a popped radiator. 69J. Looks like they might be either hung up or something. Either that or reverse ain't looking too good. Number 20 breaks them apart. .69J being waved off by the flagman, just going in for a love tap just to keep their timer going. They're the last and free moving. And the way we do things, it is the last hit, not the last one running. 69J tries to help the number 50 get spun around and get out of that corner. And there we got a radiator going in that 69J. Although I didn't see it pop, so it could be something going on with the engine too. So firefighters, just keep your eyes on it.